Knowing how to graph is an essential skill from algebra to on up to calculus. It's very important because it helps us understand what a function looks like. And it's important to be able to do it by hand. I'm going to do it by hand and show you how to graph it. First, I'm going to start with the function 2x plus 3 equals y. Now, we could spend a lot of time, get a very nice graph, or we could even use graph paper. I'm going to do this quickly and briefly so that you can see how you would do it. In the case of 2x plus 3 equals y, we'll need to plot at least 2 points. So I'm going to do x equals 1, 2 times 1 plus 3 equals 5, and I will do 3, 2 times 3 plus 3 equals 9. Now I have these 2 points. I can come out here. I will mark things in my graph. I will mark regular tick marks so I know how far I'm going. I often use about 1 centimeter at a time, depending how big you need it. Now my first point is 1, 5. It means I move over 1 in x, I move up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next point is 3, 9. I move over 3 in x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I can draw a line directly through these points. This line represents 2x plus 3 equals y. If we want to double check what we've done, we can plot some more points. For instance, 0, 3. Over 0, 1, 2, 3. Correct point. With a linear line like this, we only need to plot 2 points. For other more complicated functions, we'll need to plot more than that. For x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals y, we will start by plotting some points. So 0, 1. Okay, that at x equals 0, we get y equals 1. At x equals 1, y equals 0. 1, y equals 0. Now so far it looks like we get a line going this way, but as you'll shortly see, we get a very different shape. You always need to plot as many points as you need to see the shape of the function. Sometimes this means more, sometimes this means less. You need to do as many until you can see the shape forming. So in this case, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Likewise, if we solve some of the values for x, negative x, we get -1, 4, -2, 9. So we move over -1 in x. We move up 1, 2, 3, 4 in y. Move over next one, -2, 9. 1, 2. Move up 9. Right there. We connect the dots as best we can. From the more complicated the function is, or for a function whose shape you're not familiar with, you'll need to plot more points. But you usually not need to plot too many. And it is important that you learn how to do it by hand, because calculators will lie to you if you don't understand what they mean. Calculators make nice approximations, very useful, but you've got to understand how to do it by hand. And that means learning how to plot out things, learning how to, and knowing when you need to do it by hand.